everyone, once again I'm here with you to share an important topic, that is self-introduction. Yes, it sounds very easy topic, but sometimes it is very difficult for us to introduce ourselves in a very short period of time. Yes, sometimes you have less than 60 seconds to introduce, but you think that it is an elevator speech. No, friends. Elevator speech is a longer one. Yes? So, when do you need a quick introduction? That is a question. Yes? At times, networking events happen. You are in seminar. You are in a discussion. Yes? There you have to introduce. It sounds very easy. Yes, it sounds very easy that introduce yourself. Now, a quick introduction sounds easy, but often people stumble, mumble, and fumble. Yes? Now, don't waste the opportunity. Here's the first step. Don't waste the opportunity to make it a good impression. Yes. Remember the guidelines when doing a quick introduction. First thing, prepare yourself. Yes, prepare yourself with introduction. Next, practice out loud. Whenever you are practicing, speak aloud. Stand in front of a mirror. Yes, that is the best practice, I must say. And stop saying these kinds of words that I mean, I guess, kinda, oh, no, don't, never use these words. Yes? Communicate self-confidence. Yes, if you don't communicate self-confidence, then how the audience would be confident about you, what you are saying. Yes? Now, again, the question is, how we can communicate our self-confidence? Yes, here again, one tip. Speak loudly, speak slowly. Yes, and clearly enough so that everyone can understand what are you saying exactly. And second, remember that the audience is listening to your name. The audience is hearing your name for the first time. Always remember, first impression is the last impression. Yes? And the important thing which you should carry always is a smile. Yes, smile face that gives an impression that you are relaxed enough. Yes, it adds to the sincerity. Now, the important thing is make the eye contact. That also gives a confidence in your eyes when you are facing the person whom you are speaking to. Yes. Now, if you are standing and giving your introduction, stand up straight. Yes, your feet should carry your body weight evenly. While sitting, if you're giving your introduction, your hand should be on the table and feet should be firmly on the ground. Now, these tips are when you are interacting, when you are giving your introduction to the public, to the person, to the team, and one-to-one introduction if you're giving, please take care following points. Now, when you are listening to the other people, sometimes it is really effective. Listen to the other people's comment and the introduction and focus on the person whom you are introducing to. Yes, exactly. Now, here are a few points which you should remember while giving your introduction to the person. Start with a smile and tell about your name, place, and after greeting, you can tell the necessary family details. Add on your family details. Yes. Then tell your educational details. Then you can add for why you want this job to do. Yes. Why do you want this job? Why you have come here? Yes. Then about your projects, about your things, what you have achieved. Yes. Then whom you enjoyed a lot. What are your hobbies? What things you do a lot? Yes. Now, what are your interests? Yes. And what are the things which you basically do when you are free? Then Tell about your skills. Tell about your qualities. Add on your qualities. Don't forget it. Last but not the least, always conclude by saying thanks. Now let us take one by one. First of all, greetings. Always start with the greeting. Yes. Hello everyone. Hello sir. Hello ma'am. Good morning. Good afternoon. Yes. Take care. Morning between 5 a.m. till 12 noon. It is a time 12 noon. Yes. We say good morning. Afternoon starts by 12 noon till 4:30 evening. Yes. After that, evening starts. Next, things to keep in mind. Yes, what are the things to be kept in mind while introducing? After the greeting, use your full name. I am Archana Bhabhra, a complete name. Never say, I am Miss Archana Bhabhra. No, we do not add Miss or Mr. with our name. And never say Miss Preeti, Miss Archana. Always use Miss Archana Bhabhra. Means add Miss or Mr. with a complete name. Yes? Avoid using slang language such as hey bro, hi, what's up? Yes? Now, I must tell you that while introduction, you may use 5 W's and 1 H. Now, what are they? I'll tell you. First, let us take who. Who are you? In your introduction, first is who are you? I am Archana Bhabhra. I am so and so. Do not add Mr. or Mrs. with you. Then comes where. Yes, from where you have come. I am from New Delhi. I am from Kerala. Yes. Next comes what. What are you doing? I am a bank manager. I am an accountant. I am a teacher. Yes. Tell about yourself. What are you doing? Next comes when. When did you pass your examination? When did you completed your graduation? In which year? Here also, I want to emphasize that always since is used for a fixed period of time, fixed period of date. We use from when there is a very short time period. Yes. Next come why. Why you have come here? Yes, I've come here to meet you. I've come here for an interview. Exactly right. Next, how. How did you come here? I came by car. Yes. Tell how you came to the appointment, how you came to the interview place. Yes. Things when we finish the meeting. Exactly. How we should finish our meeting before giving thanks again. Yes. Always thank the person whom you are meeting. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. Yes. It is a pleasure to meet you. Yes. Always be grateful to the person who has given you time. Yes. Now I would suggest you to follow these strategies to introduce yourself quickly with confidence and clarity. All the best. Thanks for watching the video. Press the bell icon. Subscribe my channel to get the latest video updates. Let us grow this Adore English family.